Okay, guys, I'm really sorry if I haven't posted in a long... I haven't made a video in a long time. So I'll do another video. Okay, I'm just gonna turn off Oh my god. What the hell did I just think of? Oh my god. Okay, guys. There's a lot of people joining, so I'm gonna just make a private server. Nope. There is no private servers allowed. Okay, you guys requested me to do another one, so I will leave this game and join another one that's down here. And we're gonna do a different one, and it's called Crazy Ceiling Fan Land 3. So I'm gonna just join my private for now. And now, okay, this fan doesn't turn on. What happens if I tap the fan? Oh, I see. I see. Doesn't work correct. Oh, I like this. I like this design. I like this design. Okay, I think now. Okay, feeling fun running. Okay, guys, home started. Okay, I'm gonna break a blade. Oh, you home started. I think that's a big part. So this is just this one. Oh shoot! Oh, this one is better. Oh crap! Oh my god, this ceiling fan not working good. Oh, and guys, I might have some Romanian accent because I actually am starting to learn Romanian. Okay, guys. I'm gonna respawn. Cause somehow it's broken. Oh my god. This is actually beyond crazy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna turn the fans on. Alright, guys, luckily that stopped it. Alright, guys, I just glitched. Oh, you have to be kidding me. Okay, I'll just break some blades. That's not helping. Okay, I'll break this blade then. You serious right now? That one has one blade. Yeah, but Do not ask why that's so loud. Okay, yeah, guys, I honestly have no idea. Okay, guys, for now, I'm just gonna respawn the ceiling fan. And do not mind about the one-bladed one. Okay, guys. So I just oh, shoot, I remember I have to turn this. Oh my god. That is crazy. But anyways, that's the end. Bye.